Welcome to Craft Demo Making Paper Beads. I'm the artist Jolie. You can find this video, templates, and more on my website happyheartarts1513.com. Alright, so let's begin. Print out on 8.5 by 11 copy paper one of my 2 free bead templates from my website. The templates are either of a 2-inch wide or 1-inch wide beads. Additionally, you will need scissors, yarn, markers, crayons, stamps, glue, and a pencil, or you can use a dowel rod or chopstick. Alright, so after you've printed out the template of your choice, go ahead and color it in design with the markers or stamps, anything to make it as colorful as you want. Then after you've colored in your design, proceed to cut along the black line. Alright, now that you've finished cutting, throw away the end pieces. Those aren't needed. All you need are the triangles. Alright, take one of the triangles, flip it over, color side down, and grab the pencils. I'm starting here with the 2-inch wide template and the pencil. And put it so that the wide end is closer to you, and then the pointed tip is away. And then you're going to lay your pencil along that bottom edge, lined up parallel. And then you're going to roll the paper around the edge of the pencil and then continue to roll the pencil and the paper away from you. So the paper is wrapping around the pencil. And then you're going to roll all the way to the edge and then grab that bottle of glue. And you're going to put just a dot of glue at near the end here. I must admit I put a little too much, but it's all good. And then you're going to spread it out. Your finger there. And then roll. And then excess glue you can just use to seal those edges. And then slide the completed bead off your pencil. Ta-da! I will demonstrate it again. Once more with the 2-inch wide template, colored side down, the widest edge of the triangle towards me, the point away from me, and I will do it again with the pencil. And I'll line it up with that bottom edge, and I'll wrap that paper around the pencil, and I'm going to roll it away from me. So that way the paper wraps around the pencil. Alright, when you get near the end, a drop of glue, and then you finish rolling. Any excess glue, rub it around those edges, ta-da, and then slide it off. I'm going to do it one more time, same size, 2-inch template, and but I'm doing it this time with the chopstick so I can get the smaller hole for my bead. It's a little trickier with the smaller hole, but it's still the same idea. You put the chopstick near the bottom edge, and then you roll the paper around it, and it's a little tricky trying to get that paper to wrap around, but you just roll it and you get it straight and centered. And then you just roll it, create that bead. And I'm going to get close to that edge. I'm going to put a drop of glue. And then I'm going to finish rolling. And then excess glue wrapped around the edge, and boom! I've got a 2-inch bead with a smaller hole compared to the one I did with the pencil. And then now grab a piece of that yarn or string, and I'm going to string my beads right on there. Ta-da! Got 2 beads. I'm going to string a couple more on here. There you go, quick little bracelet, wearable art. Thank you for watching.